Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Top Education. Our topic chemical properties of metals and non-metals is going to be completed. Firstly, we have studied oxygen, in which we studied that how the oxygen is react with metal. Then we studied water, that shows us that how metal react with water. Let's go back. And then yesterday we studied acid and see that how metal react with acid. Now last topic or concept is that how metal react with bases. We don't know this topic or concept, so let's go and find this query and solve it. Let's go to the bases page. Bases. Here the acid is going to end, and from here the bases is going to start. Reaction with bases of metal. That metal how reacts with bases. And to prove this that metal react with bases, we have to do a activity. That is, let's look at these lines. Add pellets, waters and aluminium foil in it, and after some time bring a matchstick nearby it. You will hear a pop sound of pop. It is like that. It is just like that the activity we do in metal react with acid. So let's I tell you that what did you need. You need a beaker, fill it with water. Fill it with water, half, and then add some pellets. You can use tablets of painkiller, etc. Any tablet or medicine tablets, and drop these tablets into it. Tear a foil paper and drop it into the water. After some time, you will see that some bubbles are evaporate from here. Then last, you have to bring a matchstick nearby it, and what will you hear? You will hear that when bubble hit the matchstick, they reduce a sound of pop. Pop 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 pop. What does the pop sound indicates? That what does the pop sound tell us? The pop sound indicates the hydrogen gas. That the pop sound tell us that there is a hydrogen gas. We make hydrogen gas, guys. Means hydrogen gas is so easy for us to make it. Now next is what did we write it here? What did it form? What did it see to us? Aluminium foil 2Ai plus sodium 2NaOH. Wow, equals to sodium hamlate and hydrogen gas. Itna too much large formula. 2NaCaICOH bracket 4 bracket plus 3H2. This is the formula of these basic things. Thus we can say that metal react with bases to produce hydrogen gas. Through this activity we can say that metal react with bases to form hydrogen gas. Here we completed our theory of chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So guys, if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, comment my channel. I will answer your all questions. Subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon to hear all the notification videos which I uploaded for you. At the last, stay home, stay safe, stay away by COVID-19, and stay connected with us. Radhe Radhe. Take care.